Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Stay Home. Hashtag Stay Home 2024. April 24th. In the year of perfect vision. In the last couple of days, there's been a lot of talk about ingesting or injecting disinfectants. All right. Poppy recommends and approves only one disinfectant for inclusion in the human body at this time. Here's the measuring vehicle, and here is an example. The brand is not important. It is a fermented, lightly alcoholic beverage made from grain. Wash your hands with this, they will get clean. But that'd sort of waste the flavor, wouldn't it? Oh, I just killed 1 million bacteria. Like that. This is how you include disinfectants into the human body to fight virus and not die. I mean, Lysol. They went in front of the camera and said, "Don't inject our product." However, if you got a big can of Lysol spray, you got your gloves on, you got your mask on, you got to get on the bus, on the handrails, driver reaches out towards you, he got to come through a cloud. Anyone else, back off. And they can't accuse you of being hostile. I mean, you're offering to disinfect people, protect them from disease. Yeah, okay. Run on the bus naked and coughing. See which one gets you arrested quicker. Photo finish. Dead nose tie. I understand Georgia, the state of Georgia, started opening up today. And by Monday, they're going to be wide open. A week after that, I expect to see a great big spike in their cases. Do not pay attention to anyone tells you it's safe to leave the house until the year to more likely 18 months till they actually cook up the vaccine. Your only safety comes in stay home, keep people away from you, wash your hands a lot, wear gloves when you open that package. Throw the gloves away. Throw the outer package away. Wash the inner stuff with new gloves. Yeah. They say it can live on hard surfaces like doorknobs, handrails. The plastic, those little packages from China you ordered through eBay, come in. Yeah, that's a hard surface. Oh, well, it'll be weak. Just takes a little bit. You get really sick. Oh, I'm just sick. Then a normal source of disease comes along and you're a little bit sick. Next thing you know, you got a tube down your throat and doctor's looking at you and talking to the nurse, and she's looking at you and talking to him, and they leave the room. Someone comes with a little tablet computer and a writing tablet and a writing implement and say, "Do you know anybody you would like to talk to on the computer?" Or on the, well, it's going to have to be on the computer. Yeah. Seriously, Georgia residents, stay your ass home. Especially if you're old, sick, poor. Remember, rich men want you to die so that you don't vote against them. All the rich men can have everything, and poor people got to eat dirt. Anyway, I'm going to continue with disinfecting here. I'm glad this isn't a product review. I already did this product review on this brand here. It still tastes like Coors with 3% more alcohol. A little bit more yeasty taste. Other than that, oh yeah, killing them germs and viruses and bacteria. Bacteriuses? Bacteria, yeah. You see, I took the piece of white styrofoam. I had my stickers, no, over here, my stickers tacked up on from over here, yeah. Rustinox, Craig's Workshop, and Everett's Workshop. 3 gentlemen, nice enough with it. When they said, "I want to send you stickers, who are you?" And I said, "Hey man." And I think the email said, "I would be most proud to display your stickers on my channel." So that, I got 26 subscribers, unless I lost some. 1.68 people actually watch me. So that's Emma. And every once in a while, someone else will watch me for a minute and a half. They probably send Emma an email saying, "Why'd you recommend this guy to me?" Oh. Okay. Let's get back to hashtag Stay Home 2020. Price gouging. $6.99 a dozen for eggs. Oh, come on. This isn't the gold rush in the Yukon. This is America. In the year of perfect vision. Don't tell me that's not price gouging. A lack of food on the shelves. There used to be food on the shelves here. Wife says Safeway is having trouble getting stuff in. Walmart's basically empty. I mean, they might bring in 1 truck a day, and that's an hour of sales. And the independent places, they got 1 store, and they drive down the Bay Area once a week, and they load up on everything they can afford and they think they can sell, and they drag it back, and they have to stay home. Maybe they're sick. Yeah. Bad hair day. I washed it yesterday. That's why Anyway, they ain't bringing in the food, and those independent places like, Grocery Outlet or Food for less. See what we got. It's all new every week. You know, they got to buy what they can get. It ain't in the store, and they can't, in the warehouse where they go, and they can't get down there. Maybe they're sick or their driver's sick. Oh, it's about to the point. It is almost to the point where the National Guard is going to have to distribute food packages to the homes in rural California. Right now, I would like a couple or three of those great big Ronald Reagan blocks of cheddar cheese. I don't care if it's got green. Hey, I'm French Canadian. I like a blue cheese. Give me Roquefort or give me death. Yeah. Just slice off that top layer, get rid of the green. Hey, fry it up. Make you some fried cheese sandwich. Yeah. But it's getting bad. People are rushing to get back out the house because they're afraid of losing money. I hope that's all you lose. I hope you don't lose your mommy. Dear, sweet, sainted old mommy. You go visit her. Next thing you know, she cacks. I hope you don't lose her. I hope you don't lose your life. I hope you don't be one of the people who have a 5-year-old girl die of this disease. Can you imagine how her parents feel? Yeah. Stay your ass home. And ethyl alcohol is the only disinfectant you should introduce into the human body. But in moderation. I mean, you're not driving. So, look at Leviticus where it says, do not drink till ye fall down. Not enough to fall down. Enough so you have to sit down in your easy chair and watch me on YouTube. That's okay, but don't fall down, okay? Don't fall down. Excuse me. Somehow I managed to inhale a little while I was sipping. Look, we all know the name of, every beer drinker knows the name of that tune. No, I'm okay, man. Just inhaled wrong. Wait till I'm washing the wheel caps, the wheel covers on your truck with my puke. Then you can tailgating after work. Ah. Okay. 13 minutes? Wow. And they say I just sucked this shit up like that? How can you drink it so fast? I mean, 13 minutes and I still got some in my measuring cup. Yeah, I'm using a Pyrex 1 cup. That's a 1 cup, right? 8 ounces. Hey! And on the other side, it's for you people in places where they use metric measurements, 250 milliliter, but I'm up to like 200. That much Kirin, when I was in Japan, would cost me 200 yen. That's 2 coins. I felt good. I could taste the dead viruses going out. Mm. Okay. Well, it's 15 minutes plus. I'm going to turn off, finish my disinfectant, but I'm going to leave you with a couple of thoughts. Unless you want to die, stay home. Money isn't all that important. You stay alive, you can make more money after the vaccine comes out. But you end up in a pauper's field, slit trench mass grave in that island near New York, or wherever the potter's field happens to be in your location. It's over. You're just a statistic. You're not one of the survivors who rebuilds America after the virus. It's up to you. I prefer to survive and rebuild.